Welcome back! In this tutorial, we will make and compare the energy usage of different systems using the condensing units and evaporator that we set up in the previous tutorials. Start by clicking Make a System. Select your first condensing unit and evaporator, and then hit Make a System. Here you will see this combination's total system power cost. Now, to compare systems, create another system using the second condensing unit and the evaporator, and then hit Add System to compare. Scroll down to the payback calculator. First, select your first system to compare, your second system, and then hit Calculate. Here you will see the annual energy cost difference. Easy as that! In the next video, we'll add variables into the equipment cost to find out your ROI in years.